Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can't see your screen, no.
I cannot hear you well.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Sir, I can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
I can't hear you and I can't see your screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I can hear you.
We can hear you.
All right. Okay, I said earlier that the question said, if you did the screenshots, look at that question again. Question said, in an electrical wire, the resistance R in ohms, R is the resistance, is measured in ohms. That's what it's saying. R ohms varies directly as the length of the wire. That means R varies directly as this. That means R, you see the symbol L. That's what I've said now. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So I have R varies directly as this. So now, just like I said earlier, for us to solve or to remove this proportionality sign, I have to introduce my constants. So I have R is equal to KL. That's the first step. So now you have to mark it as series or just take note of it. Now let's go back to that question again. It said, if a length or if a wire is 6 meters long, that means the length is 6 meters. If I have a wire of 6 meters, the resistance is 5 ohms. R is equal to 5. This information will help us to get our K. You understand? So this information will help us get our K. Now let's anywhere you see L, replace it with 6. Anywhere you see R, replace it with 5. That's what it means. So I have 5 is equal to K times 6. K, of course, is going to be 5 over 6. I've gotten my constants. You understand? Now put it back inside this equation. That will give us our general equation or general formula. So I have R, which is the resistance, is equal to 5 over 6 L. This is our general formula. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, so now that being said, let's go back to the question again. We have done the first sentence. Second sentence says, what will be the resistance in the wire of length 4.5? That means if we are being given a length of wire 4.5, what is going to be the resistance? That's what the question is saying. You understand? So simply, anywhere we see L, replace it with 4.5. That's what it's saying. So I have R is equal to 5 over 6 times 4.5. So this is going to be, if you have your calculator there, you can press 5 times 4.5 and divided by 6. I have 3.75. Is it what you have?
3.75.
All right. So in ohms, this is what we call ohms. This is symbol for ohms. You understand? So I have R is equal to 3.75 ohms. That's the answer. Now that's the for question 1. If you're with your question there, you can look at it. We've done question 1 now. You understand? So let's go to question 2. Question 2 says, how long is a wire for which the resistance is 3.8 ohms? That means if we have a wire which the resistance is 3.8 ohms, what will be the length of the wire? We don't know. Go back to your general equation, which is this. Bring it up. So if I have resistance of 3.8, which is equal to, my K is 5 over 6 over 6L. Now what I'm looking for now is the L. What do I do in this question? Multiply everything by 6 so that I can clear this denominator. Do you understand? Please, do we understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 6 times 3.8 is equal to 6 times 5 over 6 L. Of course, this will cancel this. So this will give me 22.8. Please confirm if the same answer with yours is equal to 5L. So make L the subject. Yes, L is going to be 22.8 divided by 5. So
That's
if I divide this
4.56.
4.56.
4.56.
So I have about this in. Please, okay. Since this is JAMB, actually, there's no need putting the, but I was saying if it's theory, you have the unit, because the unit you lose some mark. So it's clear enough. This is easy enough, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So I want you can solve question
Yes, sir.
that is in form. You can also solve that is in okay. We just look please. Let me look. Let me see if I understand it. Then we are done with that. Let's something. We are done with this now. Now, look at this question. If you're able to rationalize this question, that means I know we are good to go now. The volume of a sphere varies directly as the cube of its radius. Can you try it? Maybe try it. Let's see how it goes. Try it. You can take a screenshot. Please try the question. Have you taken the screenshot?
No,
Wait,
sir.
let's try it, sir.
No, sir. We can't see the full. I can't see the full question.
Okay, you cannot see the screen. Ouch. I'm so sorry. Can you see it now? Can you see it now?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, I
just
can.
Yes, just try this example 3. If you're able to do it, then I'm sure that we can be able to. So we are good with that. Have you taken the screenshot and remove it? Yes. Can we go now?
Yes, sir. We can go now.
Have anybody gotten any answer?
Sir, where's the question, I beg? Bring the question, let me see it, I beg.
Okay. Just we have to be fast to. This is the question. Example 3. Okay. Even if we can be able to solve number 1, at least. Has anybody got any answer? Okay. Has anybody got any answer? Or we should do it together?
Let's do it together because I'm pretty confused. They didn't give us the volume of the sphere, so I don't think
Yes.
volume of
Some
the sphere.
questions can be tricky, my brother. Yeah, some questions can be very tricky. Yes. Okay, now no wahala. Let me. Have we taken the screenshots, please? I want to remove it.
Yes, sir. Let me.
All right. Okay. Now let me use this page answer. Now let's read the. Let me read the question from. It's of a sphere. B. Let's use this volume. Directly as cube of a root. That means we have a root, and this there's a difference between cube and cube root. Cube roots. This is cube. Up the nose.
Yes, sir.
All right. So this volume directly as the cube of the root. Okay. Now, before we continue, let me just say something from this question. He said, by what percentage will the volume increase if the radius is doubled? That means before something is being doubled, there was an initial value. I hope you know.
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. There's always an initial value. You understand? So if we take that initial value, you understand, for r to be 1. Okay. Before that, let me remove this proportionality sign and put my k. So I have v is equal to k r raised to power 3. Now, as I was saying earlier, initially this thing has to be 1 before it will be doubled. The r has to be 1 before it will be doubled. If it's 0, that means everything here will become 0. V will become 0. You understand? So there's no way r can be 0. No, r will start from 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All
I
right.
don't understand.
Okay. I said if we take r here to be 0, I'm going to have v to be 0 because everything here will be 0. And there's no way v can be 0. Everything will become 0. No. The initial point is at the initial point when r is equal to 1, not 0. Because if it's 0, everything will become 0. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So our r can never be 0. It will start from 1. So if r is 1, then that means we're going to have 1 times 1 raised to power 3. That means v will be equal to k. You get?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand? Yes. So now, if my v is equal to k, question A says what? It said, what will happen if it is being doubled? You understand? That means if r is being doubled, that means if our r is equal to 2, if our r is equal to 2, what am I going to do? I'm going to have v is equal to that's k 2 raised to power 3. Do we understand?
No, sir. Please wait.
So, sir, I have a question. Sir,
Just so that I'm coming.
What of if r is tripled? What is it going to be?
If r is triple, that means r is going to be 3. The question said it was stated in the question. It said, what will happen if your r is doubled? That means double of 1 is what? 1 times 2, which is 2. You know, I told us that 1 is the initial stage, Abby. Abby, now everybody, please, can we say something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it started from 1. The question now said, oh, how about if this R is being doubled? That means 1 times this 2, which will give us 2. That means our R here is 2. So R being 2, let's go back to our original function, which is this, and put our R as 2. That means V will now become K 2. 2 that will give us 8. V equals to 8K. Do you get? Now, the question is asking for percentage of that question. Everybody, I'll read screenshot of this screenshot of that. Did you do screenshot of the question, please?
Yes.
Space varies directly as the cube of its radius. By what percentage will the volume increase if the radius is A doubled, B increased by 20%?
Thank you. Thank you very much. So what the question is asking on is for percentage, not for the original value, but the percentage. And you know that percentage means what? The value all over the original value, just like we have percentage increase, the new value all over the original value times 100/1. I hope everybody know. Everybody here who have learned about percentage, Abby.
Sorry, sir. How do we get the 8?
The 8 was gotten when R is being doubled. When R became doubled, and then I replaced R with 2 in the function. So 2 raised to power 3 will give me 8. So V will be equal to 8K.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So now my V has 2 values now, if you can be able to see it. The original value of V is this. The second value of V is this 2. Now that means the new value or the change in value when this is being doubled is going to be 8K minus K all over the original value it was, which is K times 100/1. That will give us the percentage increase. Please, do we understand what I'm saying?
No, sir, please, I don't understand.
Okay. I actually told us about when our R was original, that's the original value, the background state of it, that is when R is equal to 1. Then I told us that R can never be 0. If R is 0, that means everything we are doing will become 0. It can never be, it cannot happen. R cannot be 0. That means R started from 1. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So when R was 1, then I put 1 here and solved. You understand? We got our V to be equal to K, Abby. The question now said, what will happen if our R is being doubled? 1 times, it started from 1. The original state was 1. Doubled means times 2. Times 2 of that one is what? 2. That means anywhere you see R, replace it with 2 in this function. So I did that, and I have V to be equal to K. Notice that I have double values for V. V is equal to K, and V is equal to 8. The question is saying, what is the percentage? What's the percentage if it's being doubled? You understand? And I know that you everybody here knows that to solve percentages, what we do is that the new value minus the original value, you understand, divided by the original value times 100/1. That is 8K minus K divided by K times 100/1. The first K was when R was equal to 1. That's the original state. Second value was when R was doubled.
20%.
Eh?
You said 20%.
No, we are still solving the first question. We are still solving the first question, A, when it's being doubled.
Okay, sir.
Yes, when it's being doubled. So I have here a 8K minus K all over K times 100/1. So 8K minus K will give me what? It will give me 7K all over K times 100. You understand? Of course, this time this K will cancel K. Abi, I have 7, right? So 7 times 100, that will give me 700%. So is it the 700%? Let's just call it 700. That's what I have. That's what we have, Abby.
Sir, please, I used to hear that percentage is over 100, but there are times I
Yes.
usually think you have 700%, 250%. What are they trying to tell us, please?
Okay. If we say X percent means X over 100. That's what it's saying. That's literally. If you say anything percent, 20%, that means 20 over 100. So what this thing is saying is that this 700% means 700 over 100. That's what it's saying literally. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, so now for the our time is already elapsed. It's already 8:02. I don't know. We should go on.
Physics tutor is already in the class. Please.
Kai.
The physics tutor is
Please,
already in the class, please.
All right, sir. All right. Please, I sincerely apologize. Tomorrow we'll finish up the piston. It remains the B part. Tomorrow we'll finish up the piston. I'm so sorry.
Thank you,
Please,
sir.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry I took your time. I'm so sorry. Okay, now see you guys tomorrow.
Me, I don't understand.
Good night.
Yeah, good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.